I am a pretty big snacker. I love just making a platter of different veggies and dips, and I can call that a meal. One of my favorite things to snack on is hummus. And hummus, you probably have seen in the grocery store, comes in a ton of different flavors now, whether you're doing like a roasted red pepper or a garlic hummus. There's lots of different options, but I also like to tweak them and make them at home from scratch in a really easy way that you can make a ton of different flavors. Plus, you can create flavors for the season. So in this week's blog, I wanted to give you a couple ideas of things you can add to your hummus or make your own hummus. Just get a little bit creative. You're not only adding fun new flavors, but you're actually increasing the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients, increasing your hummus healthy recipes to something that is really, really good for you. So inside the blog, I'm going to give you some ideas that you can use to create really simple recipes that take your hummus recipe up a notch and make your friends and family talking about all the yummy things you can create. So the first one I wanted to touch on is a roasted butternut squash hummus. If you even just say that out loud, it sounds so good with all of those flavors coming together, and it's actually really simple, but it does take a little bit more time. So the recipe is right inside the blog. It's simple though, it's not going to be difficult, and it's absolutely delicious. Another one is to add pumpkin into your hummus. At this time of year, there's pumpkin everything, but it doesn't need to be pumpkin pie and pumpkin spice lattes. There's a lot of ways that we can really use pumpkin in a very healthy way and in healthy dishes. So add it to your hummus and see what you think of that one. If you're not sure how, again, I'll pop the recipe in here. You can also add things like a beet hummus. Have you ever seen that really bright pinkish color hummus? That's probably beets. It adds a nice flavor to it. You can add things like sweet potato. You get the point. There's a bunch of different things that you can start putting into your hummus to make it fun, make it exciting, try something different. And so I'm going to pop the link here over to my blog. When you click on the link, you're going to head into this blog post with lots of different hummus recipes that you can give a try. I would love to hear if you try these out, which one's your favorite, which ones sound good, which ones maybe not so good. And if you have a hummus recipe that you already love, share it with us. I would absolutely love to try. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Gaylene Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness. I help women really boost their energy and lose unwanted weight, but we do it without dieting. Instead, we do it with really simple lifestyle changes. We add food tweaks and hacks like this hummus recipe, really adding nourishment to our day so that we can feel our best long-term and create a sustainable long-term health plan. So dive on in, check out this week's blog. While you're there, I'm going to have a free gift for you inside where you can get access to even more recipes. So go check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you over there.